not that we're in the woods or anything, but we're going to test a thing called the Bear Bowl. This is a folding bowl which has got hot water in it, and we're going to test it out and see how it works. So far it seems pretty good, just like we're at a camp. And then we're going to dump it in this Mountain House food. This is the chicken fajita bowl. Dump it right in the bag, the hot water, just like we're at a camp. Obviously we're not at a camp, but let's just pretend we're in the woods. So we're just testing the Bear Bowl right now. This is a folding bowl. I'll show you how it works when I'm done, and we'll check that out. Stick around. Basically, looks like it's going good. Starting to boil the water. No issues. Heating up that steel bottom nicely. This is some kind of a fireproof fiberglass, it looks like. No leaks, nothing like that. It's really, really cool design, because it's not like your typical camp pot, which is going to take up a lot of room in your pack, because, you know, they're not flat. They're round and they take up room. So this is ingenious design. I really like it. It's got a handle, so you can obviously hang it over the fire or whatever. This water is going to be good to go. It's boiling, so we can stick it in our chicken fajita bowl. 20 grams of protein, freeze dried. And I dropped it. This is by Mountain House. And it's good until, if you can focus, November 2047. That is a long, long time, guys. You can even take it out of here and put it in a airtight bag and to really crush it down, so it's not in this giant oversized bag. But at that point, you can't put it in the bag to eat it. Like, you can eat it right out of this bag, which I'll show you. But this is done. So let's shut that off. Tricky part maybe getting it into the bag, the water. But I think, ooh, it's hot. Oh yeah, obviously. So this could be a little bit of a trick with this bowl. Not really quite sure how I'm going to do that yet. You would probably have to use a glove or something to hold the bottom and put it in there. But in any case, if you use, you know, you wanted to store about 12 of these in your pack or whatever, or maybe more, you could take them out of here and put them in an airtight bag, and it'll be, you know, really tight. And then you would just put it in some kind of a pan or whatever, if you have a pan or something in your cook set, whatever you're using, or a bowl, and dump the hot water in like that. So I'll do that and I'll get right back to you. Let's see how we would do this here. Take your little, oh, I almost lost it there. Not yet, Storm. I don't want to dump boiling water on you. Alright, so this may be not too bad. Okay, it's actually a lot easier and cleaner than I thought. If you have a no-mech glove or something, like a fire glove, you are definitely good to go, because of obviously it'd be easier to pick it up like I just did. You could pick it up from the corner of this and dump it like you saw me, but you know, that's up to you. Okay, so basically it was pretty easy to do that. It's hot, so I'll let this cool down, but when it's done cooling, it's super easy to clean. You know, it just unfolds and you put it in your pack. So this is a great alternative to a classic, you know, pot like this that would go in a camp, maybe something smaller. But I really like these. They can go on top of them little mini stoves and for camping and stuff. But yeah, you just saw me dump it in there. So I have it mixed up in the Mountain House. This is the chicken fajita bowl. This has got to sit for a little bit, and I'll let you guys know when I'm ready to go. Okay, my bowl is pretty cooled down now. So what we can do, just unbuckle it, unsnap it, and then basically, you know, if it's dirty, you can wipe it down, clean it, do whatever you want to do. Maybe you had food in there. Then you're just going to fold it up like this. And you're going to have a button right here. Same button you used to fold it. Snap it. And that's it. And you're going to just put it in your pack. And you got yourself a flattened bowl. Now, I don't know how long these corners are going to last and stuff like that. I know this is a fiberglass. I can see some of the strands here of fiberglass, and I'm not even sure how good that is for you, honestly. But it's a cool idea. I think maybe it may need a little bit of touching up and innovation, because you know, food and fiberglass don't mix. I can tell you that right now. I'm a body man, and I've done body work for my whole life, and I can tell you right now that fiberglass just isn't the greatest thing for you. So maybe it's some kind of food safe fiberglass. I have no idea, but I mean, it would have to be, right, to sell it. I don't know how that Kickstarter stuff works, but anyway, this is the Bear Bowl. It seems like a legit idea. It's pretty cool, and that's that. Now next we have the food here that we made. This is the Mountain House chicken fajita. Let's just give it a try. I'm starving too. Seasoned grilled chicken rice, fire roasted vegetables, and black beans. I love these things you can just add water. 20 grams of protein. 280 calories, not bad. 4 grams sugar, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A. It's not bad. This is pretty good. Really good, actually. Tasty. So simple as that. Got a couple of those in combination with some emergency food rations or something in your get home pack, which so far I'm running with the Trident 20, but this is just too small. I need something bigger, but it's got a good amount of gear inside here. But you know, if you got 4 or 5 of those Mountain Houses, a pack of them SOS survival bars like I did in my last video on, not bad. Not a bad way to keep yourself alive. Alright, so that's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. And that's the Bear Bowl, Mountain House, and that's Storm. She's down here. Everybody wants to see Storm. Say hi, puppy. Hello. She hates YouTube, and she hates being picked up. I'm sorry, Mama. Go play. That's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.